Lesson 7-7, Sales Tax and Discount. So when you hear sales tax, you've probably heard this term before. This is an additional amount that is charged to items, and it's typically the tax in the area. So we will see things like 6% and 7%. It is the tax of the particular item that is not included in the sales price. So let's take a look at an example. So if we say that we have a DVD player that costs $140, and the sales tax in that particular area is 5.75%. So what we have to do is we have to figure out how much you are paying in sales tax. So to do that, you have to find what is 5.75% of 140. And you can do that in two ways. The first way, you can multiply the $140 times 5.75 as a decimal, so 0.575, which will give you 805. But $8.05 is not what you're paying. This is actually the tax. So you add that to the original $140 for the item, and that means you would pay $140.05. You can do the same problem a different way, and you can add the tax percentage, so 575, to 100%. Because you are going to be paying 100% of the cost of the DVD, just in addition to the tax. So that would mean that you are actually going to be paying 105.75% of, which is multiply 140. So if you multiply that out, you get 148.05. So you can either figure out the individual sales tax and add that to the price, or you can consider that you're paying 100% of the price plus the 5.75% sales tax, multiply, and get the same answer. Pause the video to try this example. So in this example, I'm going to do the method where you find how much of the regular price you're paying in sales tax, and then you add that to the original price. So to do this, you say that the original total is $42, and the sales tax is 5.5%. So that's times 5.5%. But we have to turn that percent into a decimal, so it's really 42 times 0.055, which is $2.31, and then you add that to the original $42 and you get $44.31. You can also do it the other way, and I'll show you real quickly how to do that one. It's 100 of the price plus the 5.5, so you're paying 105.5% of the price. You turn the 105.5 into a decimal, so it's 1.055 multiplied by the $42, and you get $44.31. In this unit, we're also looking at finding the sale price of items. So if you went to a store and it says that the regular price is $69, but it's on sale for 35% off, you want to figure out how much money you're actually going to be spending at the register to know if you have enough money or if you're possibly able to buy another item. So there's two ways to figure this out. You have the regular price is $69 and it's on sale for 35%. So you can multiply the $69 times the 35% that it is off. So 69 times 0.35, which will give you $24.15. So then you can subtract that number from your original number to get $44.85. So that would be what your new price of your item is. You can also subtract the discount from 100, because if it's 35% off, that means that you are taking away 35% of the amount of money. So you could do the 100% minus 35, which means that you're actually going to be paying 65% of the cost. So then you would multiply the $69 by the 65% as a decimal and get $44.85. Pause the video to try this example. So it says a CD that has a regular price of $15.50 is on sale at a 25% discount. So you want to multiply it by the 0.25, which will result in $3.875. And so when we talk about money, we can usually round that to $3.88. And remember, you have to subtract that number from your original number. And so if you subtract $3.88, you get $11.62. You can also multiply the $15.50 by 0.75 because you're paying 75% of the cost, and you're going to get $11.62 for this amount as well. Now, when you're trying to find the original price of an item, you want to set up an equation and solve for the variable. So a cell phone is on sale for 30% off. If the sale price is $239.89, what is the original price? So what this means is you want to first determine what percent of the item did you actually pay. And since the cell phone was 30% off, that means you paid 70% of, which we know is multiplication, of some price. And so let's just make that P, and that equals $239.89 is what you paid. So you paid 70% of this price and got this. So now you can solve for the variable. So you turn your percent into a decimal, and you are left with 0.7 times P. You divide both sides by 0.70, and that's going to tell you that your original price was $342.70. Now, this number, if it's a discount, should always be higher than the number that you actually paid at the register, because it is a discount. You are actually paying less at the register than what the original item cost. Pause the video to complete the lesson review. Make sure you show me this lesson review for verification of watching this video.